We're going to do an unboxing of The Crew, The Quest for Planet 9. It's a great game. It's for 3 to 5 players, ages 10 and up. Playtime is about 20 minutes. It's a strategy, teamwork, cooperative trick-taking card game. It's pretty good. If you haven't played it yet and haven't picked it up yet, definitely. It's a great game. All right, let's open it up. So the first thing we see is the rule book. A couple of pages. It's about 24 pages long. Then you get a logbook. The logbook gives you 50 missions that you can do. These are the tokens that come with the game. You get 10 task tokens, you get 5 radio communication tokens, you get 1 distress token, and you get 1 commander. And then you get the cards. These are the cards, and there's 4 different colors, numbered 1 through 9. These are the 4 rocket cards. These are cards that trump any of the suits. And then you get 5 reminder cards. And then you get a smaller deck of cards. There's 36 task cards. And that is The Crew, Quest for Planet 9.